Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare jawar roti. How to prepare authentic jawar roti I have already shown in my previous videos. Lot of people were asking what is the ratio for jawar flour and water. Here I found correct measurements and easy steps to prepare jawar roti. Ingredients required are 1 cup of jawar flour and 1 and 1/3 cup of water. Let's start the preparation. Take 1 and 1/3 cup of water in a utensil. Allow this to boil completely. Once the water comes to boil, add 1 cup of jawar flour. Mix this well. Switch off the stove. Close the lid for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I am going to take out this in tray. Allow this to cool for 2 to 3 minutes. It has cooled now. We have to knead this dough. Take little cold water and knead this dough. Dough is ready. Take small portion of dough. Today I am not going to tap this roti. I am going to roll this with rolling pin. Sprinkle little jawar flour. Press it little bit. Now we have to roll this using rolling pin. Now it's ready to roast on hot tawa. Tawa is hot. Keep stove heat to high. Here I have taken water and white cotton cloth. Apply water. Once you see the water evaporating, flip it to the other side. After 1 to 2 minutes of roasting, we have to flip it one more time. You can see roti is puffing up. Press it with white cotton cloth so that it will roast well. Flip it one more time. You can see roti has roasted well. Keep stove heat to low and take out this roti. Take one more roti dough. We have to knead it. Sprinkle jawar flour. Now we have to roll the roti. We have to take roti like this and put this on tawa. soft and healthy jawar roti are ready to eat. In 1 cup of jawar flour, we can make 5 to 6 rotis of this size. You can see rotis are very soft. After making roti, we have to keep rotis on paper towel or any clean cotton cloth. Please do try this at home and let me know your feedback. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Take care.